Welcome back everyone. I hope you're doing well. I'm going to show you how I make my aloe vera body wash. This body wash is creamy, moisturizing, lathers well, and it smells so good. It's made with simple, effective ingredients that your skin will love. So I'm going to show you step by step how I do this. So let's jump right in. And if this is your first time stopping by, my name is Esther. And I make DIY natural hair and skincare videos, and I also sell skincare products on my website. I'll have that linked in the description box if you want to check that out. As always, the complete recipe will be listed in the description box. I'm getting started with aloe vera butter. Aloe vera is very soothing and moisturizing on your skin. It's really good for dry skin as well. So I'm going to melt this down first. And if you don't have aloe vera butter, you can also use aloe vera oil. Next, I'm going to weigh out my thickener. I'm going to be using xanthan gum to thicken up this body wash. I love using xanthan gum. It always thickens up my formulations nicely. So to my xanthan gum, I'm going to add some vegetable glycerin. This is going to help hydrate the gum, and it's also going to draw moisture to your skin, so your skin is not going to feel dry after using this body wash. So I'm just going to mix until everything is well blended. I'm going to be using some aloe vera gel. This is processed aloe vera gel. I do not recommend using fresh aloe vera gel because it's not going to last long in this body wash. So I'm just going to weigh that out. I'm going to add in my preservative now. Because of the type of preservative I'm using, the Euxil K903, it's not very soluble in water, so it needs something to help blend it into your formulation. So I'm adding it into the aloe vera gel. You can also add it into glycerin as well. So I'm just going to mix the preservative and aloe vera gel until it's well combined. So to my water ingredients, I'm going to add in my xanthan gum mixture. So once I add that in, I'm going to just stir it well until it's well combined and until it thickens up. It doesn't take long at all. So I mixed this in for a few seconds and then I switched over to my whisk. It took under a minute for everything to thicken up. And of course, if you don't have xanthan gum, you can use other thickeners. There's guar gum, there's HEC. You can also try salt. But this is what it's looking like. So I'm going to work on my other ingredients. I'm going to add in my melted aloe vera butter in another container. And to my aloe vera butter, I'm going to add in my fragrance oil. I'm going to be using a fragrance oil that is completely optional. You can also use essential oils as well. And after I've added this in, I'm going to add in some mica. I've gotten a lot of requests about micas. I personally don't use them in the products I make for myself or for sale, but I'm using this mica. I'm going to add in just a little pinch. You don't need a lot. I'm going to add that to my oils and my melted butter, and I'm just going to mix that all in. So after mixing, this is what it's looking like. You want to make sure all that mica powder is well blended. I'm adding in my cocoa betaine surfactant. There are many choices out there, but I'm using cocoa betaine. It's mild, it's gentle, and I'm also adding in some cocoa glucoside. Cocoa glucoside is another mild surfactant. So I'm using 2 surfactants for this wash. So after adding this in, I'm just going to carefully mix it all in. And I'm going to do this carefully so that way I don't activate too much lather. I'm going to combine both jars together, the water-based jar and also the surfactants jar. So I'm just going to add the surfactants mixed to the water mix, and it's still the same process. Once you have everything combined, you want to stir and mix carefully, because if you mix too hard or too fast, you're going to have so much lather and it's going to take forever for the lather bubbles to go away. After mixing, this is what the consistency is looking like. Of course, it has loosened up some more. So with this body wash, it can take up to 24 hours for the final consistency, especially with using xanthan gum. But this is what it's looking like. So I'm going to go on and check the pH. As always, it is important to check the pH of any skincare, hair care product that you make. So I'm just going to do that right now using my pH meter. After checking the pH, the reading was 5.12. And this is fine. The pH of the skin is between 4.5 to 5.5. So I was okay with this reading, and that's pretty much it. This is what the consistency looks like. You can wait a full 24 hours for the final consistency, but I was okay with this because I was going to be using it right away. But this is what it's looking like so far. So it's a nice creamy, it's not super thick, but it's a nice lightweight creamy consistency, and I'm going to go on and package this up next. And the aloe vera creamy body wash is ready. What do you guys think about this recipe? This is such a lovely body wash to use. First of all, it smells amazing and it feels so good on the skin. So let me know in the comments if you're going to try out this recipe. Of course, the key ingredients are aloe vera, but you can make substitutions. You can use maybe aloe vera powder, but it will change the color of your formulation. But you are free to make changes. I'm going to show you the lather, how much it lathers, and once again it feels so good on the skin. It is very lightweight and creamy. I'm in love with this formulation. I hope you found this video helpful, useful. Please don't forget to subscribe if you've not, and also please turn on your notifications so you don't miss any new videos that I upload. And also please like this video because that really helps me out, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.